Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. I do lots of unboxings over here, and today we're actually gonna do 2 unboxings. So I went shopping on the Sephora website, which is a dangerous thing to do, let me tell you guys. But I noticed on there that they had some new favorite bags, and these bags are something that Sephora will put together with a collection of items inside. So I was like, okay, let's go ahead and get these 2. We're gonna unbox them together today. So I bought the Summer Showstoppers kit, and we're gonna open this one, and then we're also gonna open up the Fresh Face kit as well. So we've got both bags. We're gonna check them all out and see if they're worth it or not. If you guys are interested in either one of these bags, I will be posting links down below for you in that video description box. I think we're gonna start with the Summer Showstopper kit. This is still available online as of the timing of this video, so you can purchase it and have it shipped to you. Now this bag says that it's the Sun Ready Beauty Favorites for a Sunlit Glow. So perfect for summer, all the items that we're gonna need for summertime. I paid $52 for this bag, which I gotta tell you guys, I feel like these favorites bags have gone up in price lately. I'm like, wow, I don't remember the last time that I spent $52 on one of these bags, but there are some full-size products in it, so I was like, I think it's gonna be good, but we're gonna definitely look at it. They state that the retail value is worth $154 if you were to purchase all of these individually, but like I said, because it's in their kit, you're gonna get it for $52. First item inside of this bag is a full-size Power Pocket Puff. Man, you gotta be really careful saying that. This is from Beauty Blender, and it states that you can take this with you on the go, and it will help to evenly distribute and touch up any powder formulas, so you'll have a flawless makeup look throughout the day. You can put powder on here just to do quick touch-ups if you wanted to, or you can actually use it just to blend out, like if you do have any oils or if you're sweating or anything, this will help to absorb that and you can kind of blend it all out. You know, I do think this is nice for summer. I get why this is in the bag. It's definitely not the reason why I got it though. You know what I mean? Like, this is good, but there are other products in here I'm more excited about. Next up, we have a full-size product in the bag. This is a mascara, and I believe you pronounce this as Glossier. So this is a black mascara, and like I said, it is a full-size product, which I love that. It's called Lash Slick. So this is one that I have not tried, but I see this all over TikTok. Everybody uses this right now. So I'm guessing it must be pretty good for everybody to be talking about it. I would hope so, at least. I hope I didn't fall for a marketing ploy, but I like the fibers that are on here. I like that there's a lot of them. One thing that's cool about this is that the fibers on the wider end here are actually longer than down here at the finer point. So it works well if you want to get towards that inner corner of your eye, then you can have a more narrow point with shorter fibers and you're not like sticking yourself in the eye. So I do think it's a good design. I'm excited to try this because like I said, everybody's talking about it right now and I hope that means it's a good thing. Next up, we do have one of my favorite sunscreens. This is from Supergoop, and it is their Glow Screen. So SPF 40. This is a reef-safe sunscreen. It is vegan, and there's no fragrances added to this either. I will put this on as a facial sunscreen. I love this one because it's lightweight. It's strong enough to protect you, but it's sheer enough to build your makeup over top, and you don't even notice that it's there. It's also non-irritating, it's dermatologist tested, and it does have a pearl, like just a very light pearl shimmer to this. So I do feel like it gives you a little bit of a glow too. So again, perfect for summertime. But I love this product. If you guys have never tried it, I do recommend it. I think it's a really good facial sunscreen. Next item that we have is from Isle of Paradise. These are self-tanning drops designed for your face. And the shade that we have is medium, which I think is perfect for me. So these are going to be travel sized, and these are drops that you can just rub directly onto your face, or you could mix them in with another product if you wanted to. I've not used this before. They mentioned that you need 1 to 12 drops, which is a really broad, you know what I mean? Like, that's a really broad range. I'm gonna have to practice with this, but I will say, considering this is just a travel size, by the time I figure out the correct dosage, I'm gonna have used the whole bottle. We also have a product from Glow Recipe in the bag. This is one of the best products ever, you guys. So again, I use this product regularly. I highly recommend it. Glow Recipe's Strawberry Blurring Drops. This is a serum. It will help to blur your pores and to make everything look a little bit more smooth. So this is what I will use, and I do feel like it does a good job. I still will use like a blurring primer at times as well. Next up in the bag, we have a full-size product from Haus Labs. This is one that I've not tried. It's one of the lip oils that they carry. I'm excited to try this because, again, I've seen it all over TikTok. I've been watching other beauty influencers use it, and it looks really good online. But I have not had a chance to try it, and I was like, well, great, it's in here, I can try this. It's full size. The shade that we have is PhD Hybrid. It is a lip oil that has a slight lip tint to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what that looks like with a swatch, but it is going to give you hydration. There's definitely a shine there, and man, is it smooth. And you can tell there's just a very slight pink tint to it. It's not a lot, but it's not sticky at all. It honestly is very lightweight. This feels really good. There is also a full-size mascara in here from Sephora. This is Size Up Volume Extra Large, it says. So this is their very fat mascara, and it is supposed to give you lots of volume for your eyelashes, which I do think is good for this summertime. But did I really need two mascaras in the same bag? I feel like from a reviewing aspect, no, we didn't. This is interesting. It says it's actually made in Italy. So I did not know that. Are all of the products from Sephora made in Italy? Next up, we also have a tiny little sample from Milk Makeup, but this is one of their best-selling products. And I will say, the full-size version is not much bigger than this. Like, it really isn't. It is this small. So this is the Lip and Cheek Cream Blush Stick, and we have it in their famous shade, which is Work. That shade is super popular. Like I said, this is one of their best-selling products. I feel like when the cream blushes hit the market, this was one of the first ones that came out, and everybody was using it for the longest time. And now it really is a best-selling product. So you do have quite a bit here. You can use this for your lips or your cheeks. Because it is a cream product, you can actually apply it directly on. You can apply it like a lip balm if you wanted to, or you could use your fingers to help blend it out as well. This one is their sample size, and it is 3 grams or 0.1 ounce. But like I said, the full-size version is not much larger than this. So this one doesn't surprise me that it's this small, just because Milk tends to make these really small. We additionally have a brow product in the box. This is from Benefit Cosmetics, and it's the 24-hour brow setter. This is a clear gel that you can apply onto your brows and lock them in place. If you like to feather your lashes out, or not your lashes, feather your eyebrows out, this will help them to stay feathered throughout the day. So it's got a comb on here, and then like I said, it is just a clear formula. And so you can put this down and it will help to feather them and lock them in place. So last item inside of our bag today is from K18. This is a molecular repair hair oil. So this is 4 ml of product. It is a sample size. This is the only hair product in this bag, which I actually prefer. I'm glad we got a lot of beauty products in here. I mean, I know this is beauty. I should clarify. I'm glad we got a lot of makeup products in here because I really like the brands that we have going on in here. So this is the only hair care product. At 4 ml, I don't feel like there's enough really even in here to try this. It just kind of feels like an afterthought. You guys, look! So the lip oil from Haus Labs, it's a pH lip oil that they have, which means that it will change colors based off of your pH levels. So this actually is settled in, and you can see the pink color all the way throughout now. I love it. It's a perfect cool pink. I am cool tone, so that is why I like the really light and bright pinks better than like the dark cranberry colors. But this looks great. So that is everything in the first Sephora Favorites bag for the Summer Showstoppers kit. Do you think this is worth $52? I will use everything that's in here. So for me, it's at least worth it on that sense. But I do feel like beauty is expensive. I mean, $52 for this? Like, that seems really high. Thankfully, I'll get my money's worth by using all of the products, but I feel like even if you don't use, if you don't use 2 items, I don't think this is going to be worth it. I think you really need to know that you're going to use all of these products, and then it might be worth that price point. So now let's move on to the Fresh Face Kit. This kit cost me $45 for it. There is supposed to be a $138 value on this particular bag. This one, again, will have full-size products and travel-sized items in it as well. It is currently sold out online. However, it states online that this is available in some Sephora stores. So you may need to visit yours locally or even put your zip code in on the website, and it may tell you that you could do in-store pickup for it. So this might be available for some people, and then for some people it might unfortunately be sold out right now. So we are supposed to discover a new full face of effortless, no makeup look. So the idea is to have makeup on, but make it look like we don't have makeup on. So this is what it looks like inside of the bag. Lots of goodies in here. We're gonna start with this Rare Beauty item. I saw it, it's a little guy, but I know Rare's packaging, and this is our first item in here. Super excited about this. Now, this brand is by Selena Gomez. I feel like it's one of the best brands out there. She and Rihanna with the Fenty Beauty, I absolutely love their products. Like, they are killing it in the beauty world right now. So this product is in the shade Happy, and it is a liquid blush. I will tell you, these blushes are highly pigmented. You do not need a lot in order to achieve a flushed look. So you can go with a very small dab and then blend this in, and it will give you a really great look. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this one in. You can see that color right there. Like I said, I just do 1 dot because I don't like it to go too crazy and out of control. But look at this color, you guys. It is so perfect for summer. Definitely perfect for this no makeup look as well. But see how 1 dot gives you that much pigment? So if you need more, you can always do another dot and build it up, but I always just recommend start out really small. I'm excited for that one. It's a great color, works for me. I will definitely use that. Next up, we have in here a full-size mascara from Tarte. This is their Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. It is an OG favorite product. It's one of their best-selling products. This mascara will give you everything. Its length, its volume, and it's gonna last all day as well. I do think this is great for summertime because it will stay in place even in like the humidity and the heat. It's gonna lock itself in place. I'm pretty sure this lasts for like 16 hours or something. I forget the exact amount, but it does last for a really long time. And it's full size, so that's really good. Next item in here is from Iconic London. This is their Prep Set and Glow Spray. This will be travel size, but it's designed to be a primer, a setting spray, and it's going to give you a luminous glow. So if you kind of notice in here, it's got a touch of a shimmer, and it will give you that glowing look for summertime. So you could put this on before makeup and after makeup and still give you that glow, and it will lock the makeup in place. The size on this is 1 ounce or 30 ml. I do feel like it's enough to use for quite a few tries as well. So yeah, that'll definitely be great for a no makeup look. We also have a little bit of Denessa Myrix in the bag. I'm excited about this. Was this one full size? I thought it was. No, it's not actually. Okay, there's still enough here though to use. So it's 6 grams. This is a blurring powder, and you can use this all over your face. The shade that we have is Universal, which is basically just the translucent powder. And you can use this to blur any pores. You can also lock in your makeup again. So for this no makeup look that we're trying to achieve, this is perfect because it will help to blur out any fine lines or wrinkles or even any pores that you might have. So I do think this is gonna go great. It is safe for even around the eye area. So if you do have any fine lines around that eye area, you could set them with this powder as well. And because it is translucent, it will work for everyone. Just let it sit in, you can let it bake, and then it will blur all those pores away. Next up, we have a product from Huda Beauty. This is the Creamy Kohl Eye Pencil, and we have it in Very Brown, so you can see the color here. It is a dark brown eye pencil, and you can see this kohl liner here. And this is a full-size product too. We also have a lip liner in the bag. This is from Too Faced, and it is their plumping lip liner. And we have this gorgeous dusty rose color over here. So again, perfect for this no makeup look. We just add a little pop of pink. I mean, I see exactly where they're going with this bag. Now, this is also a full-size product. I feel like this one is really good, you guys. The next item that we have in here is by Mario. This is the Pink Glow Plumping Lip Serum. So it is travel size that we have here, but this is the shade. So again, you can put this on your lips. You're gonna get a plumping glow, and this will match the lip liner that we saw earlier. It will go perfectly together. So I love the curation in this bag is really good. So this is what it will look like here. It's almost like a balmy tint, but then like I said, it will go down with a slight glaze and it will give you that nice pop of pink look. I like this bag a lot, you guys. Last item that we have in here is from Drunk Elephant, and these are sunshine drops. So we have 5 ml. These are essentially a bronzing glow drop. So it will help to give you a little bit of like a luminous tan. These are not considered tanning drops, so it's only going to be temporary and it will wash off, but it will give you a really nice looking glow. I think if you pair this with the setting mist that we saw earlier, these two are gonna work perfectly together. Get a nice luminous glow. Okay, this bag is my favorite. I'll just say it. I love all of the brands that are in here. I feel like there's more full-size products, and I like the look that we are going for here. It's the makeup without makeup, and I'm like, yeah, it looks really nice. Like, I like the color choices. They're not too extreme. I feel like they're just neutral enough, but still very pretty. I love this one. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think of these two Sephora favorites bags. And again, if you're interested, I will be posting links down below. You should be able to get them wherever you can get Sephora. So if you are in Canada, I would assume you would be able to get these bags as well because Sephora is in Canada. So I feel like you could get them. It's just a question of whether or not they're in stock at your store. Or like I said, this other summer one, it did say it was still in stock online. So I think you can still order it too. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!